I've moistened my skin and this is how I'm going to apply it in a circular motion all over my face and neck. Done. Now it's time for a wash. Move on to the activator. Just 5 to 7 drops, tap 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 on the face. Massage in a circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes. I take this massage cream, gently massage all over my face and neck in circular movements. It might dry off after a few minutes, so take some more and continue for another 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. Simply remove it with a damp cloth. That's about it. The last thingy is this mask. Take lots of it and pour it like this on your face and neck. Try and relax. No talking much. There, it's dry now. Just rinse thoroughly or remove with moist cotton. Pat dry. Now you know how I keep my skin glowing. It's super easy.